How to remove part of a video in CapCut. So if you are editing your videos in CapCut and there's a certain portion which you want to cut and delete because maybe there's a mistake or something that you do not want to render it with the video, it is very simple to do that. First of all, make sure you download the CapCut application. So go to your Play Store, in the search bar type in CapCut and then make sure that you've installed the application. So I'll just wait until this installation process has completed. And once the installation has completed, I can open up CapCut Video Editor. Now what I want to do is I want to simply choose a video from where I would like to go ahead and then remove the part of the video. Now first of all, I'm on the free version, so dealing with some of the ads. Go to their particular video, select a certain video and then hit the add icon. Now here is a video that I want to edit. Maybe I do not like the part from this particular second to this particular frame. First of all, select the part from where you want to start cutting the video, right? Then tap the split icon. After that, drag this little line to another part where you want to remove the video. Then again tap on split video. This particular middle portion of the video is unnecessary to us, so we want to delete that portion. So once you select that portion, tap on the delete icon that you can see here and that will be deleted and the other two parts will be merged by itself, so there's nothing really that you have to do. So it is as simple as this on how you can remove part of video in CapCut. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.